Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin yung energies na inyong love life ngayong March 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang mga reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. And also, if you're interested in private readings, lahat po ng information kung paano makapag-book ay nasa description at pin comment. Paki-check na lang. So, let's see. Cancer. Unahin natin may mga relationship. In a relationship. Kung meron kayong relasyon ngayon, tinan natin. Cancer. Anong ganap sa love life mo ngayong March? May fulfillment. Okay. So, 9 of Cups, yung iba sa inyo masaya. Oo, magiging masaya kayo sa relationship ninyo. Maaring, you will be spending your time with your person, no? On a vacation, diba? May summer vacation. The High Priestess. This is a very spiritual energy. So, you may be dealing with a Pisces. Oo. So, maaring meron ka pang gustong malaman, matuklasan tungkol sa iyong person. Maaring you are talking a lot, no? Kasi the Eight of Wands is about sending messages, communications, back and forth energy. And the Ace of Swords is, of course, communication thoughts. Nag-uusap. Oo. Pwedeng nasa early stages of relationship kayo ngayon. You are getting to know each other better. Tapos, ngayong March, you plan to travel, no? Kasi the Eight of Wands is also about traveling. And with the Ace of Swords, gusto nyong makilala ng lubusan ng isa't isa. Syempre sa relationship, maganda naman talaga na makilala nyo yung isa't isa. You spend more time talking, no? Oo, pag-uusap. Kasi pwedeng you are dealing with someone na medyo tahimik, or pwedeng ikaw yung tahimik tapos yung person mo madaldal, makwento. So, gusto nyo pareho na makapag-share kayo ng experiences, no? Oo. So, let's see. Ano pa? For Cancer. Maaari rin magiging very busy kayo, no? Sa inyong mga gagawin. Pwedeng marami kayong travel opportunities rin. Together with your person. O, date night. Diba? Nasa beach na naman, no? So, pwedeng kayo ay pupunta sa beach. You're going to watch the sunset. O, very, very romantic, ha? So, time together would make this relationship special. See? So, you will be spending more time with your partner. Very excited. Don't let anyone take control of your love life but you. So ngayon, gusto mo rin na meron kayong freedom na magawa yung kanya-kanya yung trip sa buhay. 'Di ba? Mahirap naman yung masyado kang nasasakal sa isang relasyon. 'Di ba? You are getting to know each other. Pero talaga ritong medyo hindi pa nag-open up, no, sa connection ninyo. Kaya someone wants to get to know you. Pwedeng your person, no, gusto niya pang lalo kang marinig na magsalita, mag-share, and spend more time. Kasi pwedeng yung isa sa inyo mahiyain. So, pwedeng ikaw tong mahiyain or the person that you are dealing with. But definitely, you will spend a lot of time with each other, with your person. Good times. Okay? Good times ngayong March. Let's see what else. Oh, 'di ba? You will spend more time talking. Very much interested kayo sa isa't isa. Maraming conversations, sharing, mm interrogation. Working on it, yes. So, it's like you are building something. Kasi itong hammer can also mean na may binibuild kayo, no? You are building your connection, your relationship, mirroring each other. Oh, okay. So, pwedeng um, ginagaya nyo yung bawat isa or you are expecting na kung ano yung ibinibigay nyo sa relationship, yun din yung makukuha nyo. So, may mga times na, halimbawa, if the other person is so sweet, no, meron siyang ginawang sweet gesture sa'yo, ang gagawin mo, meron ka rin gagawing sweet gesture sa kanya. Binigyan ka niya ng regalo, bibigyan mo rin siya ng regalo. Fear of abandonment. Meron ditong hook na sa relationship. Meron dito na very much, na siya, na-fall na sa relationship. So, pwedeng ikaw to or the person that you are dealing with. Oo, na in love na talaga. Or mas siya, the other person is more into the other person. I don't think I deserve you. Bakit naman may ganon? May nagda-doubt. Mother wounds. My mother is a big influence on my behavior. I have challenges with connecting to the divine feminine. Baka meron ditong sobrang maalaga. And then, the other person, iniisip niya, dinideserve ko ba tong taong to? Sobrang maalaga. Parang na-overwhelm sa pagmamahal na pinapakita nung isa. Oo. Maybe I'm wearing a mask in our relationship to make this look more perfect. Bakit ganito, Cancer? Oo, alam mo yung feeling na your person is giving too much attention, energy, gifts, no, sa'yo, na hindi ka na makakatch up. Parang naisip mo, do I deserve this person? Kasi pwedeng parang kina-question mo na yung sarili mo, mahal mo ba talaga siya? Kasi parang hindi mo natatapatan yung effort na binibigay niya sa'yo. So, pwede rin tong reversal ang role. Na ikaw yung give ng give sa person mo, and then, yung other person mo, iniisip na niya na, may mali ba sa akin? Kasi bakit hindi ako masyadong nag-give? Ganun kina-question na niya yung feelings niya towards you. Will you listen? There's so many things I want to say to you, but will you hear me all the way out? Will you believe me? Oh, ito nga, kailangan niyo mag-usap. So, if meron kayong mga plans ngayong March to go out on a date, magbakasyon, gawin nyo kasi you need that para magkaroon kayo ng moment na mapag-usapan yung inyong relationship kung saan nyo dadalhin yan, 'di ba? Lalo na if this is the start of a relationship, nagsisimula pa lang. Oops, okay. Yung iba kasi medyo excited sa kanilang relationship na hinay-hinay, 'di ba? Take it slow. So, let's see naman sa mga singles. Single na Cancerian. What are the energies for Cancer na single? Single. Are you ready to mingle? Okay. 3 of Wands. You are ready to mingle. Sabihin niyan, you are connecting more with other people. So, pwedeng mas magiging outgoing ka ngayong March. You will be spending some time with people na talagang you resonate with. Pero, syempre, pili, no? Oo, with the 2 of Swords. Pipiliin mo lang yung mga tao na gusto mong makahalubilo. Oo, kasi some of you are very successful na in your own right, no? So, successful na kayo sa career nyo, established na kayo, independent kayo, and you want someone na, kapareho nyo rin, independent. Mm. Kailangan daw sa relationship, kung gusto niyo diba? Kung gusto niyo magka-relationship, you need to do the effort. Kailangan mo mag-effort. Oh, may date. Oh, yung iba sa inyo, Cancer, kayo ay makikipag-date. Yan, for sure. Ngayong March. Getting to know other people. Connecting with them. Marami kang options. Oh, diba? Marami kang options available. And possible na makilala mo rin ang iyong soulmate. Lalo na kung magte-take ka ng risk. Oy, may kipag-date na yan. So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye!